they're still far from catching up to what a DSLR is competent of. The miniature sensors and lenses are no competition for a full-fledged DSLR. Anyone who truly desires control over their camera and shoots professional photos will have to learn how to work one of these cameras. DSLRs can be a little daunting to see initially, but if you can purchase the right one, it has the potential to be a constant travel companion. Nikon has been on the market for quite a long time, and it is one of the most excellent camera manufacturers. So in this video, we're going to show you some of the best entry-level Nikon cameras on the market. The Nikon D5300 DSLR camera highlights a DX format 24.2 megapixel sensor and X-Speed 4 image processor to provide high-resolution still imagery and full HD video with great low-light sensitivity to ISO 12800 and a fast consecutive shooting rate of 5 frames per second. The sensor design eliminates the conventional optical low-pass filter to gain the ultimate sharpness and resolution from both photos and videos. Complementing the imaging assets are both a handy 39-point autofocus system with 9 cross-type sensors and a 2016-pixel RGB sensor for accurate exposure, metering in a broad variety of lighting situations. Additionally, 1920 by 1080p movie recording is supported, in various frame rates up to 60 frames per second with full-time consecutive autofocusing abilities. The compact yet durably created camera body includes both a visual pentamirror viewfinder along with a large 3.2-inch 1037K dot vari-angle LCD monitor, which highlights a 180-degree swivel design to better support working from high and low angles. Compact, capable, and connected, the Nikon D5600 is a smooth DSLR that combines multimedia imaging abilities with handy wireless technology. Centered around a 24.2 megapixel DX format CMOS sensor and X-Speed 4 image processor, the camera offers a consciousness range from ISO 100 to 25,600 to benefit working in an array of lighting situations. And the sensor and processor combination also supports consecutive shooting up to 5 frames per second for working with moving materials. Full HD 1080p video recording is also backed up to 60 frames per second, and time-lapse videos can be created in camera too. While slender in stature, the D5600 does emphasize a large 3.2-inch 1.037 m.dot rear LCD touchscreen, and utilizes a vari-angle design to expedite better working from high and low shooting angles. Additionally, SnapRidge is also starred, which can use Bluetooth low-energy technology for wireless sharing of photos to your mobile equipment, including automatic transferring of resized images within the camera and your mobile device for seamless online sharing. Wi-Fi with NFC is highlighted too, for more massive file transfers such as movies to a linked device. A smooth and now connected DSLR for all, the Nikon D3400 is designed to provide better image quality than your smartphone, yet works seamlessly with your mobile gadgets for sharing your thoughts. Employing a DX format 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and X-Speed 4 image processor, this camera provides a natural sensitivity range from ISO 100-25600 to suit operating in a variety of lighting situations. And the sensor and processor combinations also present a 5.5 FPS continuous shooting rate, as well as Full HD 1080p video record at 60 frames per second. The sensor's design also eliminates an optical low-pass filter to achieve greater sharpness and resolution from both photos and videos. Beyond image production, the D3400 also highlights SnapRidge, which employs a Bluetooth connectivity for wireless sharing of pictures to your mobile devices, including automatic sharing of 2 megapixel photos within the camera and your mobile device. The Nikon D3300 DSLR camera is a small and versatile camera, highlighting a DX format 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and X-Speed 4 image processor. The sensor and processor couple to realize high-resolution imaging, well-known low-light sensitivity to an expandable ISO 25600, constant shooting to 5 frames per second, and Full HD 1080p video recording abilities. Additionally, the sensor design eliminates the conventional optical low-pass filter to gain the maximum sharpness and resolution from both photos and videos. These imaging assets are complemented by an 11-point autofocus method, which presents quick and accurate focusing abilities to suit working with a class of subject types in approximately any lighting situation. A range of shooting modes and peculiarities are also available to help creatively strengthening your imagery, including an easy panorama mode as well as picture control environments for in-camera adjustment of the color and contrast characteristics of your photos and movies. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.